Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we will be dealing with spikes trading strategy. Okay, so I will be sharing with you 100% spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, this strategy, if you follow the steps out that I'm going to outline in today's video, you will be able to trade spikes for a very long time without any hiccups. Okay, these are some of the things you will be checking out in today's video, so I want you to be prepared. I want you to have your notepad ready and your pen ready so that we can do this together. Okay, but first I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which you can use to share your this is a platform which I've been using to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. Okay, most especially in the forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab a few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very, very vital. It took me some time to practice all these strategies before sharing them in the on my public channel so that you guys can also benefit from it. So you too, you need to perfect it first before you try it out on your real account. Okay, and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it. Okay, quickly, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. So quickly, let's go straight into what is happening in the market before heading on to what we have for today. Okay, first of all, we're looking at boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, for boom 1000, after this these two spikes, okay, that happened, it took it straight to the resistance level because the spikes are long ones. Okay, so from the resistance level, it has been falling, and right now it is very close to the major support level, so you should be exiting the market at the moment. Let's check what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, it has been crashing for a while after getting to this resistance level. Okay, right now it has gotten to this support level and it is going back on uptrend. Okay, so you should be expecting a drop down candle or a spike to happen around here. So I expect you to exit the market just before it gets to this place. So somewhere here you should exit the market. That will have given you 22-minute candles. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. For boom 500, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator to do my analysis here. It's presently on downtrend. It has been on a very long trend before, but right now it's presently on downtrend. If you had come in here then you should be in a lot of profit right now. Okay, that is how amazing this strategy is. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, as you can see, it was on an uptrend before, but right now it's going back on downtrend, although it's trying to decide the direction, but it may likely go back on downtrend if it breaks the next support level. Okay, I will be stopping here with my analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's go back into what we have for today, which is 100% spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. This is a unique spikes trading strategy that I want you to look into and also take note of it. Okay, I'll say a few things before going into the main chart. Okay, the first thing you should take note of is that for spikes, okay, you are likely to see rates, a lot of rates before it will start spiking. Okay, like for those that are guru in the business, sometimes they trade for a week, they can leave a trade for a week. Okay, maybe for the first 2 days it might be in red, but since they know where they are going to, they know the direction of the market, and they know where the take profit is, they know that it will surely get there, and it will definitely get there. Okay, but if you have not gotten to that level, then you won't know how sweet trading is. Okay, so let's see how to trade spikes. Okay, and we're going to see how to analyze it. So there are three things things you should look out for whenever you are trading. The first one is to be sure of the trend. For boom, then the trend must be in uptrend, and it is most especially when you can identify the beginning of the trend, you will enjoy it more. Okay, and for crash, it must be on downtrend. Okay, remember, if you can identify the beginning of the downtrend, you will enjoy it more. Okay, then the second thing is for you to know your support and resistance levels. All these are very, very vital. Okay, for boom, the support level is very, very important, while for crash, the resistance level is very, very important. So all these are very, very vital and important. So let's check out how we can do this successfully. Okay, how we can do this successfully. So I will be adding one more indicator to it, just for us to um be able to identify all these things, because I noticed that on a normal day most of us don't know how to do our TA, but this will help us to do our TA successfully so that we can trade the market successfully. So as you can see, I've added another indicator to it, which is giving us the support and resistance level. If you want that indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp and let me know that you want the support and resistance level indicator, which I use in today's video. Okay, I will give it to you free of charge. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so how do we identify the trend of the market? So like I said, the first thing you should do is to identify the trend of the market. And if you are trading boom, you want to trade the spikes in boom, then the uptrend should be our main focus. And after identifying the trend, what other things should we look out for? Okay, the support and resistance level. And when you are trading boom, the support level should be our main focus, because at the support levels, those are the places where we usually experience spikes. Okay, those are the places we usually experience spikes. So so the first thing we should look out for is the trend. This is the trend. It was on downtrend before, because the market was red here, so it was on downtrend before. That is why you can see it falling around this period. But right here, we got an uptrend arrow, which means that we should be getting ready to buy the spike. Okay, if you like, you can place your order here. Like I said, it is most likely that you see red for a while than before it starts spiking, but I will advise you to wait for this blue arrow to show up, which is the buy signal. Once the blue arrow show up, or you are already at the support level, you can place your order. So let's say we decide to place our order where the blue arrow showed up. Just a few candles after that, it started spiking. Check it out, it started spiking, and it spiked on this support level. Okay, check it out. This is another support level which led to another spiking area. This is another support level which led to another spiking area. Check it out, it was for a very long period, isn't it? So this is it. This is where you should exit the market, most especially if you're having a big trading capital. Okay, you should exit the market here on this arrow. That is where you should exit the market. So let's see if at the end of the day we are able to get into profit or not. Okay, this is our entry period and entry section here. This is it. We entered on this arrow, okay, on this candle, and we are exiting the market here. Isn't that lovely? That is going to give you a lot of profit if you had followed that. This is amazing, it is unique, and it is beautiful. Okay, you would love it if you follow this strategy. Okay, so and in my next video I'm going to show you how you can troll it up to the very last point. This will help you to milk the market successfully. But for now, I want you to have this set up on your system and practice what I have just explained to you. Try to identify the beginning of the trend, try to come in when the buy arrow shows up, and try to place your order. Try to identify the support level. If you have seen the support level and you are yet to see the buy arrow, and you notice that the price action is almost approaching the support level, you can place your order since you've seen the trend arrow popping up. Okay, and if the buy arrow comes up before getting to the support, you can still place your order and leave it open. Since it is demo, you can leave it open till the end of the trend, and let's see how much profit you're going to make. I'm also going to do this. Okay, let's see how much profits we're going to make. I've done this several times even on my real account, so you too can do it, but don't do it on your real account first. Don't do it on your real account for now. Try it on your demo account till you are able to perfect the skill before you go out on your real account. And if your capital is not large enough, it's not necessary you do that on your real account. You can just, it's not necessary you go for long on your real account. You can just scalp it a bit. Okay, for instance, you place your order here, you got these two spikes, you are in profit already. You can close your trade here, wait for another buy opportunity, then you place your order, then you get your profit again. So that is how amazing this strategy is. Okay, I want you to try it out and let me have your comment about what we have described in today's video. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.